Now, as you can see here, when we have inelastic price elasticity of demand, the PED is less than 1. And when we have elastic price elasticity of demand, the PED will be greater than 1. Next, we move on to some special PED values, which are, the first one is when PED is having perfectly inelastic, and the second one is perfectly elastic, another one is unitary. Let's take a look at this one first, where when we look at changes in prices will lead to no change in quantity demanded. Change in increase in price from P2, P1 to P2, there's no change in quantity demanded. This is what we call as when we have perfectly inelastic demand curve. There's no change in quantity demanded. Given that the PED for this one is when you have perfectly elastic demand curve, the price is fixed at this point, but the quantity demanded might be changing over time. Where the PED for this perfectly elastic and another one is when we have what we call as unitary. Unitary demand curve is when you look at here, the percentage change in price is equivalent to the percentage change in quantity. Alright? So given that the PED now is equivalent to 1. So basically, we have 5 types of price elasticity of demand. The first one is elastic, the second one is inelastic, the third one is perfectly inelastic, and the next one is perfectly elastic, and the other one is unitary. The knowledge of PED is useful to help understand price variations in a market, the impact of changing prices on consumer expenditure, sales revenue, and government indirect tax receipts. Now we can see that why it's very significant for businesses to know the nature of their products, whether it is elastic or inelastic, because it will affect their decisions and also will affect the total revenue received. Let's do it together. Now we see that the total revenue at $5 for inelastic demand curve is 1 to 5, and when they increase the price at $9, the revenue now is increasing to 198. How about elastic demand curve? At $5, the original revenue is 1 to 5, but what happened when they increase the price to $6? What happened to the total revenue? The total revenue now fall from 1 to 5 to $90. Now, when you look at this one, the total revenue is increasing for inelastic when you increase the price, but the total revenue will be decreasing for elastic demand curve if you increase the price. You may think that by increasing the price, the business will gain more revenue, but not. It depends on the nature of the product. It depends on the elasticity.